When you hear about a company named KRAIN, what are your first thoughts? They're just an irrigation company that makes irrigation products. Well, for the most part, you're right. But for me, I see innovation, water saving, and a well-watered lawn. So today, I want to talk to you about my newly and recently installed irrigation setup. I went ahead and I changed all my sprinkler bodies and rotary nozzles to 100% KRAIN products. Quick disclaimer, KRAIN did sponsor this video by sending me all the products that I'm going to show you today for my install. I tested and I made sure everything is running smooth, so I can go ahead and give you guys my experience with these KRAIN products. So if you're in the market for any spray bodies, spray nozzles, or rotors, you came to the right video. Let me explain to you why you should go KRAIN. Also, make sure you stick around for the whole video, as I have 2 giveaways to give away that KRAIN was awesome to provide for my viewers. Stay tuned for instructions and how to win these 2 giveaways. To start off this video by first discussing these Pro S series body sprays. Because of their versatility, you can utilize many different spray nozzles or spray rotary nozzles with this one unit. These bodies are compatible with many of the female thread nozzles. They also come in a wide variety of sizes from 2 inches to 12 inches, all designed so that you could get the appropriate one that you need for your lawn. Now, 2 reasons why I decided to go with this Pro Series body for my lawn. The first one, heavy duty springs. All KRAIN products have heavy duty springs inside of the bodies. Don't believe me? Well, check out this picture that KRAIN posted on their Instagram. They are so proud and want to show off these heavy duty springs that are inside either spray bodies or rotors, that they made a transparent rotor so that you can see the size of the toughness and durability that all KRAIN body or rotor products have. And the last thing that made me decide to go with these Pro Series rotors is the EPA water saving certification that these bodies have. Water saving technology in just these spray bodies. Now, for more information on these spray bodies, I'll go ahead and link down in the description the website to KRAIN so that you could go ahead, do your own research, look at the inventory that they have, and make a decision on what your lawn needs.
To let you go, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late.
Let's get into the rotary spray nozzles. As I mentioned, KRAIN sent me over the RN200 and RN300 fully adjustable spray nozzles. By fully adjustable, what I mean is both these spray nozzles are able to go from 80 degrees all the way to 360 degrees. The RN200 is adjustable from 16 to 19 feet, and the RN300 is fully adjustable from 26 to 30 feet. Now, one thing I have to mention is KRAIN also makes RN100 versions of these spray nozzles. I don't have one with me, but I did some research. These go from 13 to 16 feet for smaller areas that are needed and you don't want to overspray, and they're also adjustable from 80 to 360 degree patterns. So you don't need a fully adjustable spray nozzle? That's completely fine. KRAIN also provides fixed nozzle sprays for your lawn requirement needs. So as mentioned, these nozzles are fully adjustable in spray distance and angles. Just simply adjust with your hands, no tools required. With 2 different rings, rotate either clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the distance or the spray angle of the spray required that you need. Water saving technology also in these rotary spray nozzles. Compared to older spray nozzles, they just mist And if there's strong wind, what happens? The water droplets get picked up and get tossed away. Most of it doesn't even land in your lawn. However, with these rotary spray nozzles, the stream pattern that it creates, it helps guide the water into your lawn and away from unnecessary places. So if the wind picks it up, the droplets are a lot bigger, which it's going to take a lot more wind force for these droplets to get picked up by the wind and thrown outside of the lawn. With this stream, does it still create that rain effect, those rain droplets that sprinkle throughout your lawn? And the answer is yes. Even though you're getting a stream of water, it creates that rain shower effect that it still covers your entire lawn. Here's a secret. KRAIN products also fit on Rainbird products, at least for the majority of it. Head on over and check out their products. The majority of them fit in Rainbirds. All right guys, so now it's time to announce the giveaway. Yeah! 2 of my lucky viewers are gonna have a chance to win a total of 6 RPS rotors. Now, we did not discuss rotors in this video. We discussed the nozzles, but the rotors work just as good. Heavy duty springs with the KRAIN stamp on it, water saving technology, and you get the rain effect, you get the stream, you get the whole 9 yards. So in order to win these rotors, head on over to my Instagram. I have posted a post that is dedicated to this giveaway, and I need you guys to head on over to Dan the Lawman Vlogs, look at the post. You also need to follow KRAIN Manufacturing to enter for this giveaway. Once you're at my post and you're following me and you're following KRAIN, go ahead and leave a comment, hashtag KRAIN, hashtag RPS rotors, for your chance to win a total of 6 rotors. Winners will be announced the first week of May. So each winner is going to get a total of 6 rotors. Again, head on over to my Instagram, follow me, head on over to KRAIN's Instagram, follow them, come back to my post and put hashtag KRAIN, hashtag RPS rotors for your entry to win. Good luck to all of you. Thank you so much, KRAIN, for participating, for giving me the opportunity to show your products. Your products are amazing, and I want to thank my viewers for sticking around. Good luck to all. Giveaway will be announced the first week of May on my Instagram. Once that's done, you have 24 hours to contact me and I will send you your rotors. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go there, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late.